What documents are needed for adoption? Adoption is a hot topic right now, especially as families look to grow through this process. If you are considering adoption, you may be wondering what documents are needed to get started. The requirements can differ based on your location and the type of adoption, but there are some common documents that most families will need. First, identification is essential for all adults involved in the adoption. This typically includes a valid government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport. You may also need to provide birth certificates for the adoptive parents. Next, you will need to show proof of income and employment. This can be done by providing recent pay stubs, tax returns, or a letter from your employer. Courts want to ensure that you can support a child financially. A home study is another important step in the adoption process. This report is prepared by a social worker who visits your home and interviews you. You may also need to provide references, medical records, and background checks during this process. If you are adopting a stepchild or a child from a family member, you will likely need written consent from the other biological parent. This could be a court order or a signed affidavit, indicating that their rights have been terminated. For unmarried couples, it is best if both parents are listed on the birth certificate. If that is not possible, you may need an affidavit or acknowledgement of paternity to establish legal parentage. Each state has its own rules, so checking with your local vital records office is advisable. If you are adopting a child from another country, you will need additional documents, such as immigration paperwork. Sometimes, a home study approved by both countries is also required. Finally, you will need to file court forms to initiate the adoption process. These forms typically ask for basic information about you, the child, and the reason for the adoption. Some courts provide self-help centers or online forms to assist you in getting started. Remember, every adoption is unique. Consulting a family lawyer can help ensure you have all the necessary documents for your specific situation.